Hello everyone. Today I want to show you a simple step on how to insert a hyperlink into your Word document. A hyperlink can take you to a website. A hyperlink can take you to a different document within your computer or within your network. A hyperlink can take you to a section within your particular document. So the first step, you go to insert. On the insert menu up here, you click, then you move to hyperlink here. So you click on hyperlink. It opens this small window here, so you give it a name. What do you want to be displayed before a person clicks on that link? So let's say like click me. Then you want the link to open an existing file or a web page. Let's start with a web page. So you select the existing file or web page, then you go down to address and you type the URL, the web page that you want to be opened when a user clicks on that click me tag. So let's put like Google https://www.google.com. That's the URL that will be opened once a user clicks on that. So you click on it, okay, and here it is. So this word, once you put your mouse over it, it brings that screen tip. It tells you to on your keyboard to press Control and then click that word for you to view the web page. Now that's one way. Go back to insert hyperlink, the text to be displayed. This time let's use click here, then a place in this document. If you have several topics in this document, you can choose this option. You select whatever you want to be opened using that hyperlink. You can go to create a new document. If a person clicks on that word click here, does it create a new document? You put the name of the new document and the path where the document will be saved. An email address. If a user clicks that word click here, it opens a window whereby you can send an email address. You put the destination email address, you put the subject, then you put the contents of your email that is in the body section. So let's create a new document using our hyperlink. Let's give our document name. Let's call it test. Let it be saved on the desktop, and then you click OK. So once you click here, using Control on your keyboard and click on that word click here, it opens a new blank document. So Control, then you click, it opens a new document. That's a hyperlink. You can create hyperlinks for various reasons, for various uses, and that's a very simple procedure to use. If you want to remove the hyperlink, simply right click on that word, then you say remove hyperlink. Right click on this one as well, then you click on remove hyperlink. So that's how you insert a hyperlink. Another way, you double click on the word that you want to insert the link. You double click, then right click, then you select hyperlink. That's another way. You click hyperlink, you put whatever you want to be opened, then you click OK. The hyperlink is back. So those are two ways to kill a bird. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.